Okay guys, just a quick one for Corky. Let's flick this over. This is my web trader, but it operates a lot different to MT5, so sometimes you might get a bit confused with the way the layouts are. If I flick my sort of indicators back on and drop an RSI into this, it does allow you to fill. However, MT5 doesn't. So I look at MT5 like this. So let me just pull this down and pull this up, and I'll just drop an RSI onto this chart for you. So you come up to this little squiggle button here, the indicators. Can you find it? Where do you find that? There you are. If you go on insert, you'll also find it there as well. But if you customize, pull that in, you'll have a list of different buttons you can have. Now I've just pulled mine into there so you can see that. Click it down. You're looking for an oscillator, which will be the relative strength. Now it pulls up a little box like this. Now you can change it to whatever you want. So set it to a period of 5. Say you want style yellow. And just click. You'll get it like this. And then you can just drag it around to whatever you want. Now if you click the RSI line itself, you'll see properties of it. Comes back to this. Now this can be anything you want. You can make the line a bit thicker if you wish. You make that thicker. Then you can put your levels in. Now for a 5 parameter, it's 20 and 80. Now these are in silver and dotted lines. Now I like them solid. So I want a solid line and red. Okay, changes the parameter somewhat, so you can see that. Now I'm going to alter it again. So up here, I'm going to add in a 90 line and a 10 line as well. Put a parameter on. I'm just going to put that back down onto a normal line, and there you go. Nice and simple. Now what this is representing is once it gets above the first line, you know there's a change imminent. Once it gets over the second line, it's definitely on its way, you know. And as soon as that comes back in, as you can see, it's here. Just put my crosshair on just so you can see it. That's where it came back into range. It was pretty much near the top, just there. And if you go to when it came back to into the middle, this section, which is this break here, it's at the very top, very little room, and then thump, down it came. Likewise down here, didn't take that much heat, came back, broke again at that point, and it's at the bottom of the market. Same here, and the same there, moved up. So that's a quick and easy one on RSI and how to set it up in your markets. Now if you're on a fast market, instead of having 80-20, do 85-15, and that'll help you. Okay, hope that helps for you, Corky. Catch you soon.